Morning guys, what's happening, what's going on? We're in Betty's Bay still, it's our last day. We got to say goodbye to Kim and Cam. It's been emotional. Put it there. See you guys soon, hopefully. We've had a good time though. We've had a good time.
Great weather.
Drive safe. What are we doing today, Nicole?
Besides from eating grapes, we're going to Harold Porter Botanical Gardens. That way. Because there's no surf.
Gardens, yeah?
Again.
I'm looking forward to going for a little wander around some gardens.
And there's waterfalls.
Is there? Wicked. Let's do the gardens. Come in, come in. So we're stopping in at the beach to see if there's any waves before we go to the gardens. What are your hopes? Are you hoping for?
I'm hoping for waves, but I don't think they will be. I think it's onshore. And let's see.
Turns out our surfing weekend, we didn't do any surfing. Park in the sand dune, yeah? What's the conclusion? Still pretty big. It's like a bit of a washing machine out there.
Yeah.
But we're making tracks. And we gotta make tracks. It's open. Because yeah, the surf isn't very inspiring today. Shame, Bob, every time you say it's gonna be good, it's not good.
I know, it's one goo that's lying to me.
Okay, our tickets cost £1. And we got a key as well to do a little hike called Leopard's Cliff.
And it's called that because there are leopards in the mountains.
Are there?
Not many, but
hopefully we'll see one. Okay, we're on the trail. The Leopard's Kloof Trail. Hopefully we're going to find some leopards.
Maybe.
Leopards eat baboons?
Yeah.
This is a cool bridge, chap. Yeah, this is like prime leopard territory, according to our South African
Expert.
Yep.
Underneath the moonlight, watching invade me. No need to feel worried, I am all at ease.
Found ourselves in an enchanted woods. It's pretty awesome, eh?
Yeah, it's rad.
It's beautiful. Still not seen a leopard. Still no leopards.
I didn't promise anything.
There's a frog though, look. I think we made it to the top. Is this the top? It's awesome. This is such a fun hike. Quick and easy. And these little stepping ladders are amazing. Couple Polaroids, look pretty cool. Colours are nice. You happy with the Polaroids? I like them. This one?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Highly recommend it if anybody's in the Betty's Bay area. Definitely do the Leopard Kloof.
Literally took us 20 minutes to get to the top.
20 minutes. I mean, we're pretty fast.
We're
pretty powerful.
like marathon sprinters.
Alright, it's Boogaloo. Yeah, we've got a little Instagram mission. Nicole's going to take a photo of me standing down on that bottom waterfall. This place is so beautiful.
Underneath the moonlight, watching invade me. I'm overpowered by relentless beauty.
How'd it go?
Right, well, this is a little Polaroid I took.
Needs to come through a bit more, but it looks badass.
And there's these ones which I quite like.
Yeah, I like those.
Yeah. It's a bit dark.
Good work, bud. Look how beautiful it is here. Guys, check the little Dusty. Looks like a little bear. Hey, Dusty.
His ancestor's an elephant.
Excuse me?
Said his ancestor's an elephant.
It's unusual. What's his name though?
Derek. Little Dusty.
Oh cool. What up, Derek? He's checking us out, isn't he? He's got some eyeballs on him.
Yeah.
What are you looking at, mate? Okay, we can hear very clearly a beehive. We're just trying to locate it right now. Carefully though, because it's like my worst nightmare, being chased by bees.
Obviously, like, the common thing to do, the most sensible thing to do is go towards it. Which is what I'm doing.
Okay.
It's pretty loud though.
Yeah, it's getting louder for sure. Okay, we located the bees. I hope they're not those African killer bees.
Yeah.
Could actually quite easily be those.
Going close.
That was pretty gnarly, hey? So warm. I mean, so loud.
It's just got louder.
That's a big nest.
I feel like they're on me.
Yeah, me too. I think we should boogaloo before they start showing interest in us. They seem agitated about something, don't they?
Yeah.
They're not chilled. We made it out alive. We didn't get stung by bees, eaten by leopards, or we didn't trip and fall. So, successful hike. I love getting outdoors. It just makes you feel like such a good human. We're meant to be outdoors more. I think we spend too much time indoors, myself included. We're not designed, or we've not evolved to be indoor humans. We're not domestic humans. We'll get out in the wild. What up, Mr. Mongoose? What are you saying? Come over here, bro. No. We have ourselves an information board about leopards. Fane boss.
That's interesting. It's a lot
Leopards
smaller.
are a lot smaller, yeah. Savannah leopard, size leopard. Fen boss. This is all Fen boss, by the way, guys. That's how you say it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Fen boss. Oh, this is Fen boss. So they are around, eh?
Yeah, I wonder how many.
You and I have a choice. Conserve or destroy. What will we do? Right now, we're these guys. Destroying. We need to be these guys. Conserving. Get in here, you little sexy little leopard hunter. Okay, Nicole has done a sterling job of cleaning the whole place up. Thank you, bub. Meanwhile, I was going through the photos and it seems we got some nice ones.
Yeah, we got some sick ones, eh?
We definitely got some sick ones. It was a very successful Instagram mission. But it's time for us to go, I think. We have to get out of here. The sun's going down. Let's go back to Cape Town. Okay, that's quite a lot of stuff, isn't it?
I feel like it's more than what we came with.
Yeah, definitely. We've acquired some stuff.
Yeah.
Well, it's windy. Them's all packed up. Bye bye, Betty's Bay House. See you again soon, no doubt. Look how beautiful the sky is right now. See the size of that wave. Oh my word, that's big. That's huge, isn't it? Wow. Yeah, look at that gnarly cloudlet. That's so intense. We made it.
Eventually.
Thanks for a lovely weekend.
Thanks for coming with
I
me.
miss you already. Good.
Night.
No, bub. Bye.
Bye.
See you tomorrow. Not
you tomorrow.
really.
See you Tuesday.
See you Tuesday.
It's Ben's birthday on Friday.
Shh.
Okay, bye.
Made it back home, safe and sound. And Colin the Colnago, I've decided, needs to have another outing in the next few days. While Dan is here, we're going to try and do a long cycle ride, like the longest cycle ride I've ever done, which will hopefully be about 100 Ks. I'm not sure. I'm not even sure if I can cycle 100 Ks right now, but we'll find out soon. So yeah, I think I'm going to say goodnight to you. It's a good night from Pumba as well. Good night, Pumba. Peace. But yeah, I'll check you guys tomorrow. I'm going to mostly be washing the car tomorrow, and I'm not sure what else. But yeah, I will see you then. In the meantime, remember to work hard, be nice to people, try not to get lost or killed. Okay, love you. Bye. We come for a little walk. Hello. And the water's so chillos. I'm finding it quite cold. Hey.